I want you to pray.
All right. Dear Jesus, thank you for this day that you've given us. Thank you for allowing us to work together in our shop today. Thank you, God, for giving us the ability. Give us the ability to go to Monster Gym tonight, and as you'll keep us safe. But God, thank you for allowing us to be able to have the knowledge and the skill to work in our shop and to fix things and to make things better.
And fixed our dirt bike, and we're so happy that it didn't bust up and now it ain't broken. So we have to spend our money for another one. Amen, God.
Amen. All right, now, okay, here you go, Charlie. What are we gonna do today?
So we're gonna fix this boy right here. This is my boy. Big kids are there, and they have been sliding on the brakes, and it made the tire blow out. So we will.
All right, let's show them what happened when they slid the brakes right here.
So the tire blew out.
The tire's pretty well wore out, isn't it? Look at that.
So look what we ordered. We ordered this.
And that's a new tire?
Yes, it is.
And a new tube.
And a new tube, but at least our tube over there did.
All right, show them what tools we're going to be using today.
We are going to be using. Where's that? We're going to be using this right here. These. All this. All of this. And we're going to be using my American pocket knife. You can just buy these at Tractor Supply.
That where?
At Tractor Supply.
Okay.
All of the toys inside are almost from Tractor Supply.
Okay.
So we're going to be using this cut open this boy. It has paper on it. And this is the tire. And this is the tube. Will you open this?
All right, you got to be really careful with this now, don't you? Only with an adult, right?
Yes, because look how sharp. And it really is sharp. Look.
Oh, don't stab it. There you go now.
That's how sharp.
Don't cut the tube. Now look, open it this way. Look, turn it around this way. Oh, always cut away from you, right? Never cut toward you. And you open the plastic up like this, but we don't want to touch the tire and make a hole, right?
Right.
All right, now, see if you can get that pellet out of there. We may have to cut it some more. Nope, I think you got it.
Yo, I like this, my baby. I like this, my baby. Here this baby comes, here this baby comes, here this baby comes.
All right, so we'll leave that right there right now.
Here's a tube. Wait, tube goes.
Okay, now, do you want to show them how the wheel spins? Tell them a little bit about your bike here. You got this for your birthday, right?
Right.
You had never ridden one before. You made another video the first day you rode it, didn't you?
Yes. And there's a, down below, there's a video of me getting this for my birthday.
All right, turn it on.
And this is how it goes.
That's pretty fast.
Yes. And on Amazon, you can buy a bigger motor, but he just turned it up a little bit.
Okay, so are we ready to get started?
Yes, we are, baby!
Okay, first thing I think you're gonna need is take this wrench. It's an 8mm, and I want you to take that nut off right there. That's right.
I want to use this.
Okay, put it on the bottom part. Now turn it.
Hey, it's too tight.
Turn it toward me.
I'm trying to.
Good job. All right, now take your wrench off. All right, you got that? That's one of them. Let's look at that. All right, we're going to put it right over here with our tools, right? So we don't lose anything. Okay, it's there. Now you got one more right here. Same size wrench.
One might be a little easier.
Push down on it, buddy. Wait. Here, let me help you a little bit, okay?
It's a little bit.
Now try it.
Oh my gosh. It's so tight. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm gonna put this one up here with the other one. All right, now we gotta take this black hubcap off right there. Good job. All right, hand me that one. We got another here. Let me put our wrench right over here.
Yo, this is starting out so sick.
All right, now I'm gonna put, there's our parts. It goes right there. All right, come over here. We got one. Oh, we gotta take this chain guard off now, don't we?
Yes, and we'll definitely need this wrench.
No, we won't need that one, but we'll need that Allen wrench.
What is the Allen wrench? It's this.
That's it, you're right. All right, first, take this one off right up here.
Push it down.
No, go this way with it, buddy. There you go. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. All right, now stick the end in it, or you can turn it all the way around. Look, take this now. Stick it in this way. Now spin that in. Perfect, man. Look at you go. And what was you saying? Tonight we're going to Monster Jam?
Yes.
Yes, we are. We're going to see who?
Gravedigger!
Yes, we
Make
are.
sure to subscribe to Gravedigger. If you hit that like button, we'll get you some tickets to go to Monster Jam and see Gravedigger with us.
Okay, buddy. We got one right there to take off. Same way. Now you may have to put the small end in it again and turn it first, then.
I can't get it in.
Yeah, you can. Look, just turn it and line it up the slots, the flat sides on. Perfect. You can do anything. Oh, you did. That's a smart way to do things.
So it ain't very tall, so I use this.
That's number 2, right?
Oh, no.
I get it. But that's number 2.
Oh, that's so...
I'm gonna put it right up here with these. All right, we got one more, and it's hidden. Where do you think it might be? Good job, dude. You gonna pop it a hippie with that one?
Yes.
It might be hard. Oh, you got it in there. You did it. Remember, you don't have to push it hard. It would go in there easy once. So you had it. Now look, it's tight. I'm gonna all right, now. Turn it back. There you go. Lefty loosey.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Lefty loosey. But that's a funny joke. Don't listen to me. That's just a joke. Where does the bolt go?
All right, look. You have taken off the chain guard, and look why this chain guard. It's on the end of your Allen wrench. Check the end of the Allen wrench.
Hey.
All right, look. This is the chain guard, and it protects your legs and your feet from what?
From
this chain, right? Now, let me show you. See how fast this chain goes right here?
Let me show you. Let me show you how it works.
So we do not want our fingers or our hands or our feet to get in there, right?
To get like
so
skin
this,
up.
yeah. So this guard does what? It protects us, right?
Yes.
All right.
So look. Don't even hurt.
All right, now will you get? I'm gonna put this over here. I'm gonna put the screw right here and the Allen wrench back up here with our tools, right?
Right.
Now. All right, look, come over here. We've got to take this off again to get.
Well, that's really easy.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay on top of that one.
All right, now we have to have our large wrenches over there.
Hey, look at this thing. Look at this. Tall
Number
one.
16.
16.
All right, now
And it came from.
Highboy.
Highboy.
All right, Charlie, you got to have your 17 millimeter and your 15 millimeter. Yep, that's your 15 millimeter. That's your 17 millimeter wrench. Now, the next thing we got to do is we got to...
Wait, I was this. Oh. Wait. Give me all the tools. Who's that? I told you I had a smart idea.
All right, now.
We need a...
All right, get your 15 and your 17 millimeter wrench. We got to take this nut loose.
Use a 15?
We got to take this nut loose, this
15.
nut loose, and slide the wheel
15,
down.
15, right?
15, yes, sir.
I can't.
Let me help you. Let's get some leverage on it. Now you ready? We're gonna push down. Okay. Here, Papa. Let Papa do it real quick. Let's bring it down. There we go.
It's kind of hard from on the bucket because it might fall.
Here, let's try it now. There you go. Almost got it now, buddy. All right, let's go over to this other side. No, it's okay. Look, let's take this one loose and we'll be able to slide the wheel out of the swing arm, okay? All right, come around here.
I'm going to be sweating and you're not because you're doing older. I want you to start it off, okay?
Okay, let me start it off for you, okay? All right, you're ready. All right, do it. Up, other way, I was tightening it. There you go.
This is what Dad did.
Yeah?
Remember?
Oh, yeah, it's perfect. That way none you lost, right?
Yeah, and I'm going to put the bolt in there.
Okay.
None of it gets lost. Whoa, that thing's a little heavy.
All right. So, now, this is what I want you to do. I want you to...
Use this and...
Well, now we're going to... Let's do this. Let's take the brake drum. Look, I took the valve core off so the tube will come out, but I'm going to, yeah, just like that. I'll put that down in there.
Well, it looks like it worked a lot better, but it really doesn't. I really like that one because this one's a lot harder.
I'll hold that one.
Watch that fall.
Let me pull it. Go right over here. I dropped it. Hold it. Just hold it still right there, okay? Hold it still. Okay. And what we're doing is we're taking the tire off the rim to be able to get...
Yes, and this is...
That hurt my hand. There you go. Perfect.
I wish Kimmy would come out here to watch us.
Right here. Stick your hand in there and slide it around. Perfect. Perfect. Look at that. All right, you got it. That's half of it. Now, look, the next thing we got to do, let's get this tube out of here, okay? Look.
Well, me and Dad already did.
All right, let's do this. Slide the tube in here. Slide the valve stem out like that. Here, pull this tube.
Oh, it's still full of air.
Yeah, but it's flat. Oh, look. Let's see, come here, bring it over here. Bring it right over here and let's see if we can see a hole in it. I bet it's got a hole in it somewhere. Right there it is. Look, see that hole right there?
Oh, yes, it is.
But we bought a new one. But we'll keep that. We could patch that if we need to.
Yeah.
Let's see if there's another one in it. Nope, that's the only one. So we can fix that.
Yeah.
We can fix that if we wanted to, but we bought a new one, okay? Now we got to do the same thing on this one on the other side to get the other tire, the old tire off, okay?
What?
So look, we're gonna stand it on its edge like this, okay? Let's turn it where the camera can see it, all right? Now, I need you to get your tool.
This one?
Your tool, yes. No, your little tool right there. Stick it, put it right down in there. All right, now twist it toward me, just like that.
Yeah!
There it is.
Too excited. We might need to throw this one away.
So now what we
Can I
have,
throw this tire away?
you can, buddy, it's gonna get you dirty, but yeah, but now this is what we got.
If you're dirty, it means it's cool. If you're cool, you're dirty, right? If you're
Yep.
dirty, you're cool.
All right, look, we're gonna take this tube out.
Sit right over there.
Let's bring it over here and sit beside us.
Where's the side?
Here's the new tube. We're gonna sit it over here because we don't need it right at this moment, do we? I'm gonna get your tool here. Got a couple things we gotta do, right? You hold your tool. All right, first, we're going to slide this up here, just like we're gonna stand it on the end like we did, okay? We're gonna start it right here on the edge. All right. Then Papa's going to push this thing in, just like that. Just like that. And look at that, it popped right on. All right, there's half of it on. Now, look, we gotta pull this up like this. And we're going to put the tube in here. But first, we're gonna rub
then
around.
We'll be able to ride it.
Yep, we'll put air in it and ride it. All right, look, so I need to take this new tube now, just like this. We gotta take the valve cap off of it, the valve stem cap. All right, it has a hole in this rim right here. See that hole?
Right here.
Point at it right there so the camera can see it. Okay? Yeah, that's it. Now look, this
thing right here goes right in this. This goes in there.
exactly right. It's got to go right in here, right? So we'll hold up the tire, and we're gonna stuff this rim inside this
Is this
tube
metal
inside this
or
rim.
plastic?
It's plastic, buddy, so we don't get no sharp edges, and it punctures the new tube that we're putting on here.
Do you have metal ones?
We do have some metal ones, but we don't want to use metal ones, do we?
No, we don't.
Because what happens?
Pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop.
All right, look. I've got the valve stem to come through. See that? Now we're going to put this on it so it does not go back through, okay? This is fun work, isn't it, buddy? You look up there and tell them that they need to like,
And some sky.
subscribe, and tell all of your friends to do the same thing so that we can make more videos, right?
Yes. And
Oh yeah. It's time to put the tire back on the rim.
yeah.
And that's what I'm doing right now. There we go. All right, look at this bad boy now.
Brand new, brand new, brand new.
Brand new tire and rim on here. So you know what we're ready to do now?
Yes.
We're ready to put some air in the tire here. You get one side, I get the other.
Right. Okay. We're going to put this back on.
So what have you got done?
We have got the tire back on, the new tire. And we're
Ooh.
gonna use this old tire to put a clock in or a picture frame.
All right, let's get this baby back together.
Oh, no, oh. Come on, y'all. Yeah,
Okay, you're gonna be pushing down on it. Is it tight? Put the other end on it. Put this end on it. Try it now. Yeah.
Yes.
All right, let's try this one on this side.
I want you to do that one.
Okay.
Okay.
All right,
Yes,
good
it's
job.
taut.
All right, that's done.
This is my best day of my life.
This is the best day of your life?
Yeah,
Sweet. All right, now we got to do something real quick. Two things. We're going to take and grease up the chain, lube the chain, and we're going
And we're
to,
just gonna
then that'll be the last thing that we do.
This is P&C Mechanics and Restoration. P&C Mechanics and Restoration. P&C Mechanics and Restoration.
Okay?
No,
Now give it a little bit of gas and let's oil the chain. Come on, spin it. All right, we got that oiled up. Now let's do the bearings a little bit, okay? Turn it on a little bit. All right, stop. All right, now let's wipe all this excess off. Shine it up real nicely.
We screw on these
Alright,
because I had to
look.
screw them off.
Put this screw right here. Put it right
Oh,
up, other way. Righty tighty.
lefty loosey. Ow. He having to bend down.
All right.
That's him flying. Right? Is this right?
That's right, buddy.
Right.
Other way. That's left. That's loose, right? There you go.
Oh, that's too tight.
All right, stop right there. There you go.
Yo, I'm gonna sew it.
Here, let me attach it for you.
Is it attached?
Yeah. Hey, Charlie. Charlie.